So what the speciality of this?
This is from the olden days before battery had come in.
Yes. Okay.
It starts with this
How? Like, what is the mechanism that it has?
generator.
It's a generator. Okay. And so
1958 vehicle.
okay. Yes.
It's a 1958, 100% original from the British,
Okay.
except the Indian paint.
Except Indian paint.
That's it.
And the new battery.
Yeah, 6 volts battery. This
Okay.
works on a 6 volts battery.
Okay. Okay.
That's it. All the rest are the original.
Original. Okay. What's the CC of the bike?
350.
350. Single cylinder.
Yeah.
Air cooled.
There are many engines in this. This is known as a G2.
G2.
Yeah.
Restoration cost?
More than 128.
128. And bike cost priceless. So now you deactivated this. And how did you manage to get these tires?
All imported.
All imported.
Yeah.
Imported from?
UK.
Okay. So this was everything for you.
Yeah.
The scooter as
Together.
well as
Together we do it, but my profession is different.
Okay.
So he looks into the other part of it.
So how many you have, sir?
20 Royal Enfield.
Wow. 20 Royal Enfield.
Yeah, from 1942.
1942. Okay.
And LD is about 9.
Super. Very